What's good, video pros? So today I have in front of me the Canon 7D. I've been getting a lot of questions about this camera, so I figured I'd do a video. But one of the features I enjoy using on this camera of many is this mode right here, and it's silent mode. Now you have silent mode 1 and then you have 2. Now I know cameras like Sony's A7S III offer silent mode shooting. I believe Nikon V6 among many offer it. Also on Canon, I think the R5. If you know of any other cameras that do offer silent shooting modes, let me know in the comments. But just to keep it moving, we're going to start with mode number 2. I do a lot of wildlife photography and nature photography, so this really helps. What happens when we're on mode 2? Let's demonstrate. Now, lining up my subject and getting everything in focus. And then we're gonna press that shutter. And as long as I keep my finger on that trigger, you will not hear the sound. And again, this works for me when I'm out taking a photo of maybe a butterfly and I don't want it to get startled. So what I'll do is take the photo, move the camera away from the subject, and release. Really don't care about sound in mode number 1. Silent mode 1 works. Now, here's what we get when we press that shutter. All right, you hear that mirror? That's not too bad, but it could startle a subject like a butterfly or a bee, or a subject that has really good hearing. So again, silent mode number 1 is a little noisy, but mode number 2, you have that capability of pressing that shutter, holding that shutter, and then releasing it after you move away from the subject. I hope this makes sense, y'all. If you know of any other reason why you might want to use silent mode 1 or silent mode number 2, leave it in the comments. All right, till next video, y'all, remember to capture the moments and do the best with what you have, and shoot smarter, create more, and spend less. Peace, y'all.